Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Coaching. We'll start today with observation method, and this particular method is a very basic method which is used in many research methods. Whenever you are conducting a research, it is the basic one of the basic thing that we have to use. And observation means watching a particular participant and recording the behavior. And what type of behavior you record, that is very selective. As a researcher and as a normal layman person also, we cannot observe or record everything that the person is doing. So we have to find out, or we have to decide a certain behavior that we need to observe. So a scientific observation is very different from a day-to-day observation because it involves a scientific basis behind this. There are different steps involved. Like the first step is the selection. So selection means when a psychologist selects the particular behavior that he wants to observe. That behavior may be something like when you want to observe how a child behaves when he is alone. Then you have to decide whom you are going to observe, means what particular age group you are selecting, what is the gender of that participant, things like that. Next is when you are going to observe. What are the timings? Are you going to the particular place where that participant is already there? Are you calling that participant in the lab? What type of observation, and when are you going to observe that participant? Where you are going to observe, like I said, are you going to observe in a lab, or you are going to that place where the participant is already staying, that is called naturalistic observation. So what type of observation and where are you going to observe? These are the four aims that you have to predetermine before starting your observation method. Next is the second step, which comes is the record. Record means whatever you are observing, you have to record somehow. Maybe using some symbols or a shorthand, anything. You can also nowadays, with the advancement of technology, people are also using videotaping. We are doing videotaping for observation method. We are also recording through tapes and all. So you can record the behavior. You can write down certain points regarding the behavior. Third step is the analyze. So what will you do in the analysis? You will analyze your observations, whatever you have recorded, because those observations are very important. So it is very important that you record your observations very carefully, because when you are analyzing those observations, it should be very clearly noted down, so that you can find out your purpose, or whatever you aimed at, you can find out those conclusions through your observation method. So observation generally is a very simple method. If we say observing somebody is very simple, it's just like watching. But in a scientific observation, you have to be very careful about observing that particular behavior that you want to research on. So it needs too much attention from the part of the researcher. So that is what is observation, and we'll study about types of observation in the next video. Thanks for watching.